guys, welcome back to Everyday Mods Everyway. We said we'd do it, now we're doing track day. Alright, we're going to be showing you guys some laps, how it's going, XR5, hopefully it stays in one piece. Fingers crossed, but we should be good, alright? So we'll get to it. Alright guys, we've got her in the pits now. First session is coming up soon, hey? We'll let you know how we go. She's looking pretty mint if you ask me.
Shawnee mate, he's leaving the pits. Mate, beautiful, all our hard work's been put into this moment. Shawnee's coming in hot on his third lap. I spoke to Shawnee at the pits, just between these two tracks. He said he's running his stage 3, he just came in today. Loaded it up literally just before he came to the track, and he said he's noticing a difference, he's loving it. We'll just see if he's coming down anytime soon. 207, not bad for a first track day, man.
Dogs here. We've got an Evo. We're going to do a tour for you guys in just a bit. And we got Vinny's next car.
Vindog's next car.
Officially confirmed. One day.
The FN2 staying, fellas.
Look at those wheels. Wow, that's hot. Wow.
So we've got Alex's Evo here. AJR Racing on YouTube. It's
link below.
Link below. It's a family spec car right here, as you can see. And it's fucking locked again. Anyways. So we've got a comprehensive mod to this right here.
We've had to get the list up, guys. It's a bit of a weapon.
This is a tuned Evo 8, running an Evo 9 turbo to 230 kilowatts. So just about half of what my Civic's running. I'm running about 550, give or take, at the wheels.
Just there, yeah.
So in here, we open up this door. We have some fully hectic Sparko seats in here. All right.
Hey, they are not bad, eh?
We have a custom steering wheel. This thing is not always on the car, so, you know, if you want to steal this, Alex has other plans for you, okay? We have a half cage in the back. Great for family right here, okay, as you can see.
Yeah, this is for all the boys. They can just sit
All the boys.
nowhere.
You're not restricted to 3 seats, right? It's like playing fucking, what's that game where you like bend over, Twister?
Yeah, that's
Like
the one.
Twister over the bars. You can
Yeah,
probably
yeah.
fit 4 or 5 boys in the back.
Depends how committed
You
you
have
are.
no wing, because, you know, you don't need downforce anymore.
Mate, we need speed.
You know, I have a wing because I'm running double the power.
Yeah, yeah.
Right?
And we got a hectic exhaust as well, guys.
Dude, it is a Tomei titanium exhaust. Right? Has a nice rumble.
That's
And
freaking insane.
This exhaust puts out a beautiful smell, what we call the 85.
Let's go.
So, just a quick plug. Avanti Motorsport. All the boys are a part of this thing. We rep this on the track. Got to get Shawnee made a sticker.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Coming soon.
What else have we got? We have Nitron 3-stage suspension with, what are these?
Wed Sports.
Wed Sport rims. But Alex has told us we've got some T37s coming soon on this thing. Which will
Stay
look very
tuned,
nice.
hey? Stay tuned.
Tenza RE71s wrapped in them. Beautiful. It's got a big schlong for a shifter right there. May I add?
Lighting's not the best. No idea. Pretty hot.
And also we've got radio delete. So Alex isn't bumping any tunes. The boys had a speaker in this thing, mate. We've got a big boy fire extinguisher on the other side. Looking juicy.
There we go.
But you know, not going to catch on fire, mate.
We're
This
sweet.
car's not built to that. This car is professionally built. We also have weight reduction. Carbon hood. Completely vented. We can actually pop the hood. So, let me just pull up these bonnet pins. We have a 4G C63 motor, alright? just a little bit better than the rotary. Doesn't blow up as often, but it's still alright. We've got Mishimoto, front now intercooler. We have...
That's a radiator, mate. Keep going.
Anyways, getting flamed. Anyways, nice exposed intake, you know, for increased airflow right here.
I heard this has VTEC as well.
No, mate, this has VTEC, 550 kilowatts at
Of
the wheel.
VTEC?
Right?
And I can see a sequential blow-off valve over there. We got some upgraded. We got a freaking upgraded manifold. Evo 9 turbo down there. It's hard to see, it's a bit dark, guys.
Right.
But stock, yeah, it's stock
Ladies and
apparently.
gents, Matt, there are bear cars blowing up the track.
Yeah,
Right?
that was another victim.
Another victim. Euro cars, alright? Buy yourself a
Mate.
Japanese car.
Mate, you talking shit? My car's still going.
Buy yourself an XR5 turbo.
Yeah, there we go. Sweet.